Welcome to Cakes Factory. Get ready to explore 15 of the cutest bento cake ideas that bring your favorite character to life, one bite sized cake at a time. Well, I'm your host Sumbal Shizadi. Today I'm showing you 15 amazing cake ideas, bento cake ideas that is perfect for gifting. The first one is Hello Kitty bento cake. A white and pink round cake with Hello Kitty's face and signature red bow. Cute and timeless. The next is Mickey Mouse Bento Cake. Classic Mickey ears with a red and yellow base. Perfect for Disney fans. The next is Picaco Mini Cake. Bright yellow with big black eyes and red cheeks. A cake full of energy. The next is kawaii bunny cake. A blushing bunny face with pink ears and fondant hearts. Super sweet and perfect for spring. The next is Peppa Pig bento cake. Light pink icing with Peppa adorable face. Great for younger kids. The next is beer face cake. Soft brown face, base, round ears, and a simple smile. A choosy, comfortable design. The next is Doraemon face cake. White and blue with a red nose, instantly recognizable and nostalgic. Next is Vinay the Pooh cake. Pooh, a yellow cake with Pooh's smiling face and a honey pot details. Sweet and cheerful. The next is Powerpuff Girls cake. Pastel base with character faces, bubbles, blossom, and buttercup all in one mini box. The next is Spongy Bob Bento cake. Yellow square cake with his goofy smile and big blue eyes. Full of fun. The next is Totoro Bento cake. Gray and white tones, leaf detail on top. A magical Miyazaki moment. The next is Chin-chan Bento cake. Comical facial expression with his famous thick eyebrow and blush. The next is Tom and Jerry dough cake. One cake with Tom, the other with Jerry, packed in one gift box. Childhood classic. The next is Unborn Man cake. Round red cheeks and a big smiling face. Super popular in Asian bento cake trends. The next is, and the last one is Korean doodle character cake. Cute and simple line art on a pastel background, trendy and art aesthetic. Make your own cartoon cake. Use character or edible prints for accurate faces. Keep cake 2 to 4 inches perfect lunchbox size. Add edible blush or small fondant bows for extra cuteness. These are 3 tips to make your bento cake more easily. Which cartoon bento cake is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. Like this video if you love cute cakes and subscribes to Cakes Factory for daily cake inspiration. And don't forget to share this video with your cake loving friends, family members, or your loved ones who want to make a cake like these, or anyone which you like the most. Take a screenshot of it and share with your that friend to make the cake perfectly. Hope so you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till that, stay blessed and happy. Thank you for watching with Cakes Factory. Cakes and bento cakes are just happiness. You can easily gift this cake to anyone whom you want to gift a cake on their birthdays. If they are your family member or they live far away, it's a perfect gifting cake. Love you all. See you in the next video. Goodbye.